Hi, my friends. In Chinese culture, when someone is jealous, we don't just say they're envious. We say they are eating vinegar, 吃醋. And if you are always jealous about everything, we'll call you the vinegar jar, 醋坛子. If you do not know that,
and if you don't know that,
you will. Legend has it, back in Tang Dynasty, Emperor Li Shimin wanted to reward his loyal Chancellor, Mr. Fang, with a new, young, beautiful concubine. Chancellor Fang was terrified. He said, "Your Majesty, I can't accept. My wife would never, ever agree." The Emperor laughed. What? Get out of here. I know you want a brand new wife. Let me take care of this for you. So he summoned Fang's wife and said, "Because of your husband's great accomplishment, I'm awarding him with a concubine. Are you okay with that?" Without missing a beat, Mrs. Fang said, "Yes, but only if it's over my dead body." The Emperor laughed. I heard that before. But here's the deal. Either you allow your husband to take a new wife, or you drink this entire glass of poisoned wine. And you guessed it. Without hesitation, Mrs. Fang picked up the glass. How do you feel? The Emperor laughed. Sour. Sour indeed, because that is not poisoned wine. It is vinegar made in China. So the Emperor did not award new wife to Mr. Fang. Mr. and Mrs. Fang held hands and went home happily ever after. The end. From there on, for 1400 years, we've been using the word eating vinegar and vinegar jar to describe love and jealousy. There you have it, the legend of vinegar. Now, take good care of yourself and each other. Enjoy and stay classy, my friend.